Lilith, the forgotten queen of the enclosed garden before Eve. Before the garden. Before Adam was even a thought in divine clay. There was Lilith, a queen, a chemist's conundrum, and a critical figure erased from common retellings. The rise of Lilith and the Luciferians in the Holy Tablet, Chapter 5, The Enclosed Garden. We find Lilith not as a myth but as a central player in the formation of the human experiment. She is introduced as the queen consort of King Atum, ruler of the Cuthites, and a leader among the disagreeable Anunnaki, known also as the Luciferians or Wihons. She resided in Solam, a city near the Tigris and Euphrates, before the descent of the Anunnaki chemists who were commanded by Enki to begin the Kadmon project. But here's what sets her apart from legend: she wasn't just a rebel. She was invoked as a genetic mother, one whose DNA line was blended with King Atum's in a failed attempt to create a new race. When the Anunnaki asked Atum and Lilith to allow them to breed a seed, it was Lilith's genetic line that was used for this experiment. The results were catastrophic. The breeding that shook the earth, their seed was unstable. The product of their union caused a massive earthquake and conflict among the elders. That attempt was so out of alignment with divine will that it was buried within the bowels of the planet. The command to use Atum and Lilith's line was not born of divine instruction. It was born of urgency and improvisation. The divine messenger Gabriel explained the failure. El Elo did not adorn this nature with nobility. Lilith's line was not destined to carry the royal seed of divine rule. Though powerful, it lacked the required alignment with the Most High's law. It wasn't a question of genetics alone, it was a question of spiritual compatibility. The Holy Tablets reveals further that Lilith was not the end of the line. Her blood continued through the mixed seed of Kadmon, the firstborn male created through lab-based genetic engineering. Kadmon's daughter was born of Lilith's bloodline, and that child was mixed with the Kishite lineage, further entangling Lilith's genetic legacy into early humanity. This explains why Lilith is both central and forgotten. Her blood shaped human origins, yet her name is buried beneath shame, secrecy, and divine rejection. Read this and more from the Holy Tablets, Chapter 5. Visit us online at www.aoebookstore.com.